Hey guys, a new tutorial from me. It's called Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. I will put the link below this video for of the original mantra. You can find it on YouTube as well. And I'm going to learn you how to play this mantra. So the chords that you need for this mantra are the A minor, the F. So if you have A minor here, put the finger here, and then you have the F, and the G. That's Hapa. Here you go. So I will play it for you, and then we cut it into pieces, and then we're going to learn it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari. Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari. Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari. So let's look at the chords and how you play this mantra. So as I told you, we have the A minor, we have the F chord, and we have the G. So what you do with this mantra is that you just strum down like this, really sensitive, really slow, and you start on the A minor. When the word Hari comes, then you switch to the F, and then you go to C. So, Prana Apana Sushumna Hara on F, and then you go to G. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, hey, A minor, Ri, and that you just repeat all the time. So again, A minor, Prana Apana Sushumna Hara on F, Hari hey, on G, Hari hey, Hari on A minor. And then the third time, he talks a little bit the Prana Apana, so then it goes like Prana Apana Sushumna Hara F, Hari, G, Hari, G, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari on A minor. So let's do that, okay? So 2 times you sing, 1 time, the third time you talk a little bit of the Prana Apana. Ready? Go. Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari. Another time. Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari. Third time now, talk a bit. Prana Apana Sushumna Hara. Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari hey, Hari. Be free, because that's what it's all about, you know. Free, enjoy, smile, share, shine your light, and that's what I hope to achieve with these little tutorials, you know. Maybe we can also try it with the island strum. You know, the island strum is down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's try that. So the island strum, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, Shall we give it a try? A minor. Let's go. Prana Apana Sushumna Hari 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 I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you have any further questions, please let me know and I will explain it for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time and have a lovely day or evening, and yeah, see you soon.